Well, here we go, 6 hours later. And we've got no glass. Yeah, I had to drop the glass out of this side because the rivets ran out the frame, so I've had to wang the rivets back up. So basically, we now got an opening quarter. I've had to cut it in 4 separate sections in order to shorten it and make it fit. But the fun bit was scooping. Whoops, oh god, drop it. Scooping all that out of there. I think we got it down to just hacking out a great big wedge of rubber. So, managed to get through about 20 odd blades, and I also made a right cock up because I thought this was the outside edge when I was doing it, so I've cut it out for the frame. There, look. I've cut it out on the wrong side inside, haven't I? But I think after 6 hours of pissing around with this lot, I'm just going to silicone that back in. If it looks shit when it's on the door, I'm just going to have to cut another one up. I've still got a pile of them on the floor. So the secret of doing that is a secret, because it is a right ball ache. You're quite welcome to have a go yourselves if you want to. Get yourself some Datsun rubbers and just get cutting. Meanwhile, the mountains over there are absolutely covered in smoke today. I don't know what the hell's going on. Not unless someone's set fire to Indonesia. So I suppose really, it's beer o'clock. Let's go get some beer in. Later then.